Did you know you can bake your eggs right into avocado halves for a healthy breakfast option to start your day off right? Not only are they easy to prepare, but they're packed full of everything you could possibly need for a healthy, sustainable breakfast. Made with avocado, eggs, dried bacon, chili powder, some ham and mozzarella cheese to create a variation of this yummy baked eggs in avocado. Delicious, right? Let's go. Crack an egg carefully into a bowl. Using a plastic bottle, gently squeeze out and then in over the egg to separate the yolk. Cover a baking tray with baking paper and add a few halved avocados, green side up. Gently squeeze your yolk into the avocados like this. The first one will have dried bacon and mozzarella cheese. For the second, let's use half a teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of dill. Now 1 tablespoon of ham and 1 tablespoon of mozzarella cheese. Let's try half a teaspoon of black pepper and the same of fresh parsley. Number 5, 1 tablespoon of mozzarella and half a teaspoon of dill. Finally, 1 tablespoon of yellow pepper and half a teaspoon of parsley. Grind some salt over all of the avocados. Make sure to add pepper too. Now simply bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. This is such an easy dish to make. When you're done, you're rewarded with a delicious treat. And it's a terrific idea for healthy party food too. You could say, excellent.